Good morning, and today we're out and about back in the Cotswolds, back on the Cotswold Way, where we left off last time. So this is Cam Peak car park. 6 of us today. It's not the best weather, it's a little bit foggy, misty, so I'm not sure if we're going to get many good views, but hey ho. It will be what it will be, and it's just nice to be out. This is Cam Longdown. Normally, really good views. But
Stunning views.
yeah, lovely views normally, but not so much today. Yeah, this is Cam Longdown is sort of its own little isolated lump. So you just climb up, go along the top, and drop down the other side. Normally, you get the reward of a nice view for your little climb. Not so much today. No drops. So this hill's the big climb of the day, the main uphill, and after that it's more or less on the level. So, yeah, just trudge up it. This section of the path is just following along the side of the hill, more or less level, that slides up and down through the woodland. The mist gives it a sort of ethereal quality, it's quite nice. But yeah, I'd prefer no mist at all, but you know, it's fine. Look at that. There is a certain beauty about it. Ooh. A little bit slippery. Touches of snow on the ground. So this is Coley Peak, Rochester Hill, and that's the view. Yeah, I promise you it's good on a good day, really worth coming up here. It's not too far from home, it's the sort of place we come up for in picnics and things like that in the summer, on a nice day, well, certainly when the kids were younger. But yeah, today it could be anywhere. Picnic stop. Remains of a barrow or burial chamber. I guess it would normally have been underground or undercover. A few of them along the edge here. Fallen tree. Slight detour. Oh, you're right. It's slippery.
Yeah, it's the leaves, isn't it?
Yeah, and the mud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The leaves slide down the
Yeah, that's what was blocking our path. So this is Selsley Common. As you can see, still pretty misty. So yeah, we're going to be walking across this. We're going to cut the route. Well, it's a shorter route today anyway. It's only about 7 miles, so not too far from the end now. So we were just discussing, is that a church with a tower or is it a church with a spire? And we all agreed it was a church with a spire, no, a church with a tower but with a pitch roof. And on the Ordnance Survey map they do mark it as a church with a tower as well. There we go. So this is dropping down onto the road. It's going to take us down to Selsley and where the car is. Ooh. Yeah, that's the white sheep of the family. So the Cotswold Way carries on down there, but we're parked just over here at the pub car, or near the pub. So we'll call it a day there. I'll leave the route as normal. Yeah, didn't get the views we hoped for, but never mind. It's nice to be out. So we're off some food and then to watch some rugby. Okay, see you next time. Bye.